I started by adding my olive oil in a boiled water. So I don't usually boil water. Okay, I added salt. Then I added my rice. So as I was saying, I usually boil my water with heater. Then I just placed it in a sufuria and blah blah blah. Yeah, that's what's happening. And I stir it. Don't worry about my gas, it's an old one. I went to refill it and I was given that one. So here we have our chopped onions, which are chopped into cubes. We have our tomato. I had to chop it so that it can be blended. And we have capsicum and coriander. Here we have chopped Irish potato and grated carrots. I just love carrots. I don't know. It gives a vibe. Some, I don't know how I will explain it. So I'm going to put coriander, capsicums, and tomato into a blender. Don't worry about my blender. This blender was here before I was born. Can you imagine? So imekula maisha very very. So here are my mixture, and I went to look at my rice. It's okay, but I'll have to cover it and let it dry. I don't know if you guys usually do that. Me, I usually do that. So here is my mixture. I added some water and I blended it. Yeah, it's blending. You remember Boizoma cake? Yeah. Yeah, it's blended as you can see. I went to look at my rice. Yeah, final heat. I'm removing it out of the stove since it's ready, and I'm gonna put my sufuria of onions and add olive oil. I don't know which oil you guys are using, but olive oil is the best. It's not a seed oil. It's a seed oil, I think. Wherever. Yeah. And I added chicken. Olive oil is a seed oil, yeah? I don't know. Yeah, I added my chicken. I stirred it and covered it to cook. After some minutes, I went and looked at it. It's giving a vibe. I can't explain. Yeah, I added my carrots and Irish potatoes and stirred it. Yeah. Then I added my blended mixture inside it. Yeah, and covered it and let it cook. Here I added tomato paste. I'm gonna take my scissor and cut the top of the tomato paste. As you usually say that mtu akikata na mdomo, you won't eat at their house. I have a scissor, so I'm gonna cut it with my scissor. Yeah, I placed my tomato paste a little bit. I don't usually put all of it. I placed it a little bit and stirred it. So obviously you have to stir. I stirred it. Hey, what's wrong with cooking and stirring? You have to stir every time. Yeah, and I added my salt. I reduced a little since it was more than I placed it in. I wanted to put mala, but I just changed my mind. It will give a biryani vibe, and I don't want it to be biryani. I wasn't prepared to cook biryani, so I covered it and let it cook. I went to look at it and it was giving hey, look at that, look at that, look at that. Mpishi aolewe, mpishi aolewe. So I was stirring it to see if, yeah, I added water since it wasn't, and I added salt. Yeah, I added water since it wasn't cooked. The Irish potato was still hard, so that's why I added water. You know Irish potato how it is when it is ready. It usually form a heavy soup. Yes, you can see. Mpishi aolewe, mpishi aolewe. Yeah, my food is ready and I was eating, as you can see.